Once you open the file, you are in the which mode, guys? Command mode. So right, in the command mode, what we can do, what are the options we can do in the command mode? In the command mode, so we can delete the data, we can delete the entire line by using dd. So let's try. So I'm coming to the down. So then I use double D in the, I pressed double D in the keyboard. You see, one line is deleted. DD, two lines is deleted. DD, three lines is deleted. Deleted, right? I want to save the file, or I don't want to save the file, right? Escape, shift colon. Now we are from command mode to directly insert execution mode. Quit without saving. So we quit. I accidentally delete the line, but I don't want to delete these lines. I want to keep it these lines as it is. So directly you can, what you can do, you can quit the file. Okay. Again, you want to see the VA bluejtech.txt. Yeah, the data is deleted. No, the data is not deleted because of you did not write and save. You just quit the file without saving. That's the reason the last file, whatever the content is there in the last file, right? The same file will be showing. Okay, I am in the command mode. I want to go to insert mode by by pressing I in the keyboard, right? Yeah. So I'm adding. So this is the BlueJTech AWS DevOps batch 54. This is the BlueJTech AWS DevOps batch 55. This is the BlueJTech AWS DevOps batch 56. Guys, so I write the another three lines. I want to save the, right? So I'm in the, so which mode, guys? I'm in the insert mode. I want to save this again. We need to go to the execution escape. Escape is nothing but a, I'm in the command mode. I want to go to from command to the execution mode. Shift colon. You are in the execution mode. Now I'm using the quit forcefully. So because of I wrote the file, but I don't want to. I don't want to save these files. I don't want to save these lines. So without save, I want to quit the file. So exclamatory Q and exclamatory. Nice. Cat bluejtech.txt. Right, understood, guys? So I modified something like, and I don't want to save the whatever I modified it. Whatever I modified it. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a, so yeah, and again VI slash etc, not where log, something like mail log, dnf dot log. Yeah, so this is the log file I created, right? Now in the which mode I am, just I open the file, right? I am in the command mode. I want to go to the insert mode. Or you can press I button in the keyboard. Now I am in the insert mode. So then I want to go down. Yes, right. I want to insert the data. You can insert the data by using, so in the insert terms, right? So I don't want to, I will show you. Yeah. So a command mode, right? The command mode, small gg is nothing but a, so I'm in the end of the page. I'm in the end of the page. I'm in the insert mode, right? Again, I want to go to insert to command mode, press escape button in the keyboard. Yeah. Where I am ending end of the page. I want to go to the beginning of the page. So you can press small gg. Yes, two times gg. Where I am in the starting of the file. So capital G, if you press the capital G, you are ending of the line. So, okay. So this is going to beginning of the page. Capital G is nothing but to go to the end of the page. End of the page, right? UD is nothing but undo the last changes. So undo the previous changes. You guys can explore this. So YY is nothing but a to copy a line. NYY is nothing but a to copy N lines. Okay. NYY. For example, I'm copying 5YY. Okay. 5 lines anchored. I want to paste it. Yeah. I want to paste it here. P. You say guys, how many lines it's copied? 5 lines it copied. Okay. It copied 5 lines. Capital P is nothing to paste the line below the cursor position. DW is nothing to delete the word by word or delete the word letter by letter. So something like a 5W. 5W. So it's delete the word by word letter. Okay. Next. Yeah. X delete the word letter by letter. DD is nothing but enter line. We already know. NDD is nothing but a. So you want to delete 5 lines, right? 5DD. 2GD. Delete something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I'm using 5DD. It's deleted 5 lines. Deleted 5 lines. Okay. Yeah. So slash is nothing but a to search a word by to search the word of the a file. How you can search it. Okay. Yeah. Slash. The which mode guys? Command mode. I want to search error. Let's see. No pattern found. Something like a from. We are searching from the just a from. You see here from. If you press the N button next, it will show the N next N next N. So what it is searching guys? It is searching from. It is searching the from keyword in the file. From keyword in the file. Guys understood? And next, so in the extended mode, so we need to go to the line number 20 or set the line numbers and the remove the line numbers. Okay. So for example, I want to go to the extended mode or execution mode. Shift colon is the extended mode. Now you are in the extended mode. So go to the 20. If you press the 20, it will go to the 20 line. We don't know, right? This is the 20 line or not. Okay. Set NU. I want to set the line numbers. I want to set the line number for this file. You see? So it's the line numbers are set for this file. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to how many we have? 100 lines, right? 100 lines. I want to go to the escape colon. I want to go to line number 75. You see line number 75. You are searching line number 75. Okay. And for escape, shift colon. Yeah, shift colon. So you want to delete the line numbers. Delete the line numbers. Set to no NU. You see, set the line numbers. So remove the line numbers. Set the line numbers is nothing but a shift set NU. Shift colon set NU. Set numbers. So you want to remove the numbers. Set no NU. No NU is nothing but a remove the numbers. Remove the numbers. Guys, understood?